The top 5 travel destinations for 2023. 1. Bali, Indonesia. Stunning beaches, vibrant culture, and lush landscapes await in Bali. 2. Tokyo, Japan. A captivating blend of tradition and modernity with bustling markets and rich history. 3. Cape Town, South Africa. Breathtaking scenery, outdoor adventures, and diverse cultural experiences. 4. Barcelona, Spain. Vibrant city with stunning architecture, beautiful beaches, and delicious tapas. 5. Marrakech, Morocco. Mesmerizing markets, stunning palaces, and vibrant street life.